Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Indian Air Force Group C Civilian Recruitment 2021 Notification 1 and 2 Avdi Air Force Station 8 BRD. Finally, call letter has been declared, and in the screen you can see the call letter for the selected candidates for the post of LDC. The selection to the post of Lower Division Clerk LDC, it means in 8 base depot Indian Air Force in Avdi Air Force Station. And this is a final call letter for the selected candidate in Avdi Air Force Station 8 BRD in Indian Air Force Civilian Recruitment Group C. And you can see in the screen the first like whichever has been mentioned in this letter. You are hereby informed that you stand provisionally selected for appointment to the post of LDC under OBC physically handicapped category, being qualified in the selection test held at this depot on 24th August 2021 and 24th September 2021. In 24th August 2021 examination had been conducted, and 24th September 2021 skill test had been conducted for this notification or for this job of LDC. Okay. And the second point, you can see you are directed to report the undersigned on or before 13 December 21. Before December 13, you have to report to the Air Force Station to complete the appointment formalities, to submit your willingness at academic qualification certificates, community certificate and disability certificate in original format, and 2 sets of legible photo sets copies along with 5 copies of passport size photocopies. In case if you fail to report on the due date, the standby candidates will be considered for the appointment. As of now, they won't declare it still now. Avdi Air Force Station standby candidates still not yet been declared. So as of now, if the people who have been shortlisted and in a main list, if people are failed to attend to the documentation or any kind of things, for sure they will send that one more opportunity for the standby people. But officially they have not released that. Officially there is no any standby declared list of the candidates, and no need to worry if the people have been main list people have been failed. Definitely it will be favorable to the people for who are in a standby list. Okay. And you can see third point, your appointment will be subject to police verification of your character and antecedent, verification of community disability certificate and educational qualification certificates, and production of medical fitness certificate issued by competent medical authority, civilian surgeon of government. So you can see here appointment will be subject to the police verification. If the candidate is failed in police verification, character certificate or any kind of things, definitely it might be rejected thing. Okay. And also you can see any certificates were failed to submit original certificates like education qualification or community or any other disability certificates, candidate also will be might into comes under rejection process. And also medical test should be in a proper, so in medical has to be perfect without any like without any negative report. For example, if there is an high blood pressure or any urine test was found like something is having a sugar levels high levels, so these kind of things might be comes rejection part when. I hope you all got some information about in this video, so please do subscribe and like this video and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much friends.